the days caress our skin when we begin to fall. All the white noise fading out to the void of everything we've done. We always make mistakes, but round up just where we began. I might be lost again, but I haven't seen you today.
Hey, I added a red lip for Red Nose Day. I just feel weird with nude lips now. I don't know why. It's 9:20. Me and Sausage Boy have just got home. Jane is on her way round later. I'm making some stuff. I get really, like when I'm trying to like point and it's backwards on the camera, I get really confused. I'm making cookie dough tubs today. I've had another order for 2 more today. I think I'm going to do these every week. So these are just going to be like order as you want. So they're cookie dough, they're edible cookie dough, which is heat treated flour and no eggs, so it's safe to eat. And then you can have like basically any kind of chocolate or sweets that you want in it. Anything that I can get hold of, you can have it in it. They're £8 each plus postage, and UK postage is just like £4. So I do it for 20 quid for 2 tubs in a box. And each tub is like 500 grams. So they're big fucking things. They're called motherfucking pots, MFPs, or if you're a sensitive Sally, mother flipping pots. Yeah. I'm now making a coffee. My voice keeps going in and out. I'm gonna go and do that. And I'll talk to you in a little while. Hey, it's 4 o'clock. Jane was here today. She just left with the kids, so she's taking them back to her house for the night. And then Ben is bringing them back tomorrow. I'm just trying to have a blitz of the house. Like, I've just done the living room. Jane washed up for me earlier on, so I need to put that away, and then I've got to wash up the stuff from doing cookie tubs. This one's not too bad. Just need to put away the cereal the kids have had out, and I've just realised that my mother has put the fresh pasta in the pantry for some reason from yesterday. Don't know why. I haven't drunk anywhere near enough today. That is too strong. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this and I'll talk to you later. I might have a little drinky drink later. Might see if I can find some fun to have. I put a lipstick on this morning. It's just stained. It stained my mouth. And it looks giant. Hey, I've had a beer. It is, oh, it's late. It is 11:30 in the PM. I'm still awake. Just come downstairs to get a drink and to cuddle the cats before I go to bed. I'm not tired at all. I look like a bag of smashed crabs. I'm gonna go before I say something fucking stupid. Love you, bye.